Hello. So I'm about 30 or 40 kilometers south of Ingham and I'm on my way to see a place called Jurama Falls. Meant to be a really cool place to visit, and apparently there's a mad dirt road up to it, so should be a fun ride. So let's go. Okay, I've just turned off the Bruce Highway. Road is still bitumen so far, and we are heading for the hills. And the road is no longer bitumen. Oh no, wait, that's still bitumen. It's just red bitumen. And I'm slightly disappointed so far. I was expecting dirt. Even that rented Kia can get up here. Kinda disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. Can't complain about the scenery though. North Queensland's not a bad looking spot, is it? Man, the sugarcane either side of me must be like 2 meters tall. It's probably well taller than me. Must be getting near harvesting time. Oh, here's our dirt road, people. Welcome to V Strom country. She's handling it with aplomb so far. As I keep saying, this bike is probably an awful lot more capable than the idiot riding it. God, bit of loose gravel on top of the dirt there, just to help keep things interesting. Oh God, bit of a washboard surface here. Probably not in the greatest of shape after the rains. We'll go down another gear here. There we go. No trouble to her. There we go. It'd be fine if it wasn't for the bloody corrugations. Okay, we have now entered the Paluma National Park. Whoa. This is part of the North Queensland Wet Tropics, which is, I think, the oldest continuous forest in the world. It has been here like 100 million years or something like that. Ook. Oh. Well, shit. Ah, okay. Screw it, let's go. Let's just go. Let's just do this. Oh, my shoe's wet, but we made it. Woo! Oh God. I may have crapped my pants a little there. Made it in one piece though, and that's the main thing. Oh, good job, Mr. V Strom. Mind your ute. Alright, let's park her up and see where this waterfall is. Oh God. Did not expect to be fording any creeks today, but we made it, and that's the main thing. Hello, Ms. Bush Turkey. You don't give a crap that I'm here, do you? Okay. I have my helmet and my jacket left on the bike. There is nobody else here, but hopefully they'll, you know, still be here once I get back. There doesn't appear to be a map here or anything, but I can hear rushing water over this way. So I'm assuming it's over there. Let's go have a look. Also, I don't know if you can see, there's like a gajillion midgies just flying in front of my face, which is slightly irritating. Oh, this is all I could hear. We appear to have a somewhat murky swimming hole. Still have no idea where the falls are. Okay, we'll walk on another bit. I'm assuming it's this way, and I totally could have ridden the bike up here. But whatever, my increasingly fat ass needs the exercise. It's a glorious day for this anyway. It's like 30 Celsius, which is like 88 Fahrenheit or something like that. Really nice day for it. Here we go. Joorama Falls Lookout Walking Track, 800 meters. There we go. Oh. Oh dear. Looks like I am taking the bike then. We'll push my luck one more time. Okay, you magnificent yellow bastard. Time to go swimming again. If I got through the first one, I'll get through this one. It's actually not as deep or as quick moving as the first one I went through was, so it should be marginally less terrifying. Marginally. Oh good God, I am an absolute idiot. Basically, no off-roading experience at all, and here I am, fording streams in the fucking jungle like an absolute moron. Ooh, accidental skid there. But hey, we did it. All right, let's go and have a look at this lookout. No camping beyond this point. Well, I'm not camping, and it says nothing about motorcycles. So we'll go on another bit. And welcome to Jurassic Park, kids. I am fully expecting a herd of Triceratops to just appear in front of me. Or, you know, like an angry velociraptor. Although velociraptors in reality were only about the size of a chicken, so they're not anywhere near as terrifying. That's... oh, great. Ooh. Good time to get a false neutral there. Where was I? Oh yes, velociraptors. Not as scary as Jurassic Park make them out to be. In reality, only about the size of a chicken. Which is good, because if there's anywhere in the world you will find a velociraptor, it's here. So let's park it over next to this here tree. And we'll try this again. Stay. That's a good bike. Okay. I think it's up this way. Well, I certainly hope it is. Because I'm starting to get a bit sweaty now. And the adrenaline's kind of pumping after all of that. The place is full of German backpackers. I hope they don't steal my stuff. I think we are almost near the bottom of them here. Be careful near slippery rocks. Oh crap. I'm sure this is a really good idea I have here. Little plunge pool or something there. Okay, don't look at the camera, look where you're fucking going. I wonder would I be able to fly my drone here if I can find somewhere that's far enough away from all of the trees. Let's see how that goes, eh? Ooh. Some sort of creepy crawly just went past my foot there. I hope it wasn't something very Australian that could kill me. I have risked my life enough for one day. Hang on here now. Oh, whoa. Good thing I wore runners instead of motorcycle boots, because I would have fallen on my ass about 20 times over otherwise. How's it going here? Oh wow. Nice place, but this is just the bottom, so we'll walk on another bit. Okay, sharp pointy rocks. Feet don't fail me now. And I almost fell. Crap. Alright, I better actually concentrate here. Man, this is a steep flight of stairs. More steep stuff. My workout done for this week. Alright, these still aren't the falls. As you can see, there's a causeway that goes across here that's currently in flood. And given how rapid the current is here, and having pushed my luck a couple of times going across stuff like this already, I've decided I'm going to leave well enough alone for today. So, Joorama Falls, I'll give it another month or so until the dry season kicks in properly and I can go have a right look at you. Also worth noting that I'm shockingly ill prepared for a hike today. I have one 600ml bottle of water with me and no food, so yeah, still been a nice old excursion. I think I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes. Good God, I'm unfit. I really need to, you know, go see this gym fella that everyone keeps talking about. And we are back at the bike. Now for the small matter of getting out of here again. Man, this was an unexpectedly action-packed day out for me, wasn't it? Okay, let's do this. Well, I did buy the V Strom with the express intention of doing stuff like this, and good God, does it feel good to do it. There's bush turkeys everywhere here. Well, I have the day off, I'm in no hurry, I can just take my sweet ass time to get out of here. God, my life's not bad at all, you know. Okay, here's the sketchy bit. Ooh. Yeah, easy. Easy, easy, easy. And are we at the ford yet? No, we're not. Another little bit to go. Oh. Amazingly, this bit is actually paved. Badly paved, but paved nonetheless. Here we are. Nothing coming. Clear path through. The water hasn't changed any since I was last through here. Mind that patch of shit that I skidded on the last time. Let's go, bitches. Keep the power down, keep the power down, keep the power down, keep the power down. Done! Never in doubt. I'll just go this way for you, Mr. Land Cruiser. And when I win the lottery, I'm totally getting one of those. This bit's bumpy. Oh. Yeah, here we go. Alright, this is the harder one of the two. It's a bit deeper and it's flowing a bit faster. Traction control off. Keep to the right to go with the current. Feather the clutch off. Power down, keep the power down, keep the power down, keep the power down. Oh! Holy shit, that was fun. Oh! I'm probably going to crap out a diamond later on today, but good God, that was enjoyable. Alright. Well, I'm gonna leave it. Oh, Jesus, those corrugations and loose gravel. You would want to be paying attention, definitely. Anyway, as I was trying to say, I'm gonna leave it there for today, folks. Thank you for coming along on my unexpectedly adventure-y little adventure. We'll catch you all the next time, lads. Good luck.